Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is C. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In the title, as you can see in the title, we're doing a small Sephora haul. I recently picked up some new makeup that I wanted to try and add to my collection. So Sephora just recently had a sale on foundation, so I did pick up 2 new foundations as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video and see what kind of goodies I got. So I did pick up the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I also got one of their concealers as well. So in the Stay Naked, in the foundation, I got 70Y. They matched me with 70WY in the foundation, and in the concealer they matched me with 70WO. Now online, I guess I bought the wrong shade, so I'm glad I did do a shade match in the store. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is supposed to be the color I'm in. Now it looks a little yellow orange, but this is the shade. So I do like that they put the shade colors on the boxes. I think that's pretty cool. This is what the packaging looks like. It is plastic, but it's really nice and sleek, and it's very pretty. I kind of do like plastic packaging, only for the simple fact anything can happen where you bump it, knock it down, knock it off your vanity, your table, anything, and it just breaks. I think they were a hit with this, but it is very still eye-pleasing. So this is what it looks like. You have the UDs on the side, and this is the pump. Very cute rose gold. This is the concealer. Same type of packaging as well. And this is the doe foot applicator. And again, this is 70WO. I'm not orange. I feel like I have golden undertones, but this is what they matched me with, so we can see how it worked out. But definitely check these out. These products I'm going to show you, plus these right here, I will be doing a review later on my channel, so definitely check out and look out for these videos. So you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you guys can get notified whenever I post a video. Now I did also pick up the Makeup Forever. When we was doing different foundation tests on my skin, I kind of fell in love with this. I liked how it looked on my skin, how it blended on my skin, so I definitely had to pick this up. Again, they had a sale on foundation, so this one was $34 on sale, and this is their packaging. This is glass, but I love it. I love nudes, period, so this is very pleasing for me. I got the shade 4Y60. I think this would be a perfect shade once it's all on and blended out. And so this is the HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. So it says it blurs and covers imperfections. So we definitely going to have to test this in a later video because, you know, I definitely have a little bit of hyperpigmentation and some blemishes. So we're going to see how that's going to work. So next I picked up the Makeup by Mario. This is the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer, and I got mine in the shade dark. Now I didn't want to get the Perfector because I was watching a couple videos and I don't really like too much of a like sheen dewy face that much, So I just felt like I really didn't need it, but I definitely wanted to try the enhancer. And this is just some, I'm not gonna lie, this feels like some cheap plastic. But hopefully the product inside is worth everything, or worth the price. But this is the shade Dark. So this is probably like the second product that I've gotten from Makeup by Mario. So I do like the eyeshadow palette that I did pick up from him. So hopefully I really do like this. So this says the enhancer is a 3-in-1 tinted complexion balm that warms and nourishes with sheer coverage to even out the appearance of skin tone. So we're going to see. It says it's light coverage, radiant finish, and it is a cream formula. So I did get a blush, and this is from Rare Beauty. I got it in the shade Bliss. Sorry if my lighting is too bright. I do apologize. I'm trying to work on better lighting, guys, so bear with me. But this is Rare Beauty. I thought this was such the cutest little baby pink shade. And this is the blush. It is so cute. I cannot wait to use this. This blush reminds me of the blush that I currently have on. This is, and it's by e.l.f. I just feel like they both, like, this would be the perfect setting to set this liquid blush. You can't tell me this don't match. This is the perfect setting for this, so I cannot wait to use this. So this blush is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. It's medium coverage, radiant finish, long wearing. It says it's a weightless, long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush, available in matte and dewy finishes. So I like this. I can't wait to use this. So lastly, I got some products from Huda Beauty. I definitely wanted to try a few of her products. I did get most in the minis, except for the Glowwish Luminous pressed powder, and I got the shade Tan. See, I wasn't know if I was tan or extra tan, and I felt extra tan was just a little darker. So hopefully tan works. This is the packaging. Ooh, and it comes with a little sleeve, and this is the shade. So I think this is a good shade. We're going to find out, definitely. So this is the Glowwish Lightweight Blurring Press Powder. It's vegan, has a natural finish, fragrance-free pressed powder formula, cruelty-free. It's medium coverage. It says a clean, ultra comfortable blurring luminous pressed powder that gives coverage without the cake while being lightweight and buildable. Next, I have a blush, and this is in Caring Coral. This is Cheeky Finish. So this is what it looks like. And this is the shade. I thought this is a pretty little pink coral shade. And I love the swirls. I think that is pretty cool, pretty. So it says a clean velvety powder blush with a marble formula that was developed to give all skin tones a natural fresh face flush of color and a soft focused glow. So this is super cute. I also got the Soft Radiant Bronzing Powder. This is also in a mini. I don't know how I'm gonna get into it, but this is what it looks like. Same packaging as the blush. Well, this is the Glowwish, so this is the Glowwish packaging. And this is what it looks like. Now, I feel like this shade may be a little too light. This is in tan light. I'm sorry, tan light. So hopefully this works out for me. So it says this is the Glowwish Soft Radiant Vegan Bronzing Powder. It has a satin finish, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, medium coverage. It says it's a clean, transfer-proof, non-drying powder bronzer that gives you a natural-looking tan with suitable luminosity for an overall sun-kissed glow and a velvety finish. So definitely stay tuned to check out these products. Lastly, I did get a powder. This is the Baby Bake powder. I got it in Kunafa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is their yellow powder. So this is what the Baby Bake looks like. So you would just like, oh, wrong side. Can I get it up? No. So you just lift this up, should be twisted, and powder would come out. It's not open yet, but that's how you would use this. This is the Mini Easy Bake Loose Baking Powder and Setting Powder. Kunafa, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but if not, it's the yellow powder. It says it's for deep tan and rich skin tones, golden undertones, brightens and disguise under eye darkness. It's medium coverage, matte finish, vegan. It is an easy to use loose powder, perfectly curated for all skin tones to create an airbrush, long-lasting complexion, blur the appearance of pores and fine lines, and hold makeup in place all day long. So I can't wait to use some of her products. I've definitely been eyeballing her brand. I hear mostly good things for the most part. So that's why a lot of these things I did get in the mini just in case. But definitely stay tuned for a review on these products, all the products that I've shown in this video today. That ends my mini Sephora haul. Definitely, guys, stay tuned for a review on all of these products. These will definitely be like a 3 videos right here, because I definitely want to keep it on Huda Beauty. Lord, I can't talk today. Urban Decay and Makeup Forever. Definitely stay tuned for those different videos to showcase and review these products. If you try any of these products that I've shown in the video, definitely let me know down in the description box below. I would love to hear from you guys. If you know any products that you would like to see me try and review on my channel, definitely let me know in the comments below as well. Again, everything I've used shown in this video will also be in the description box with the link to them, so definitely stay tuned for that. Again, guys, thank you for tuning into this video. Again, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, again, welcome back, and I thank you for rocking with your girl this long, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.